Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix broken files in Mecha Break. So if something doesn't seem to be working right, or if your game just downright doesn't want to turn on, what you can do is you can verify the files of your game. And to do that, you're going to go to the game's Steam page. You're going to press into this cogwheel right here, press Properties, and then select the installed files section and press Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then you're going to wait for the game files to verify, so we're just going to wait for it to finish. So there we go, the files are almost finished getting verified, and once it's done, you can see if everything's great. It will say that all files have been successfully validated. So now we can try and launch our game to see if that fixes your issue. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.